this now. Yeah. This is our first press conference in relation to town and country planning work, and I'm delighted to be surrounded by local investors and foreign investors who have made Fiji their home. And what I would like to share with you this morning is that we will be making it a monthly affair where we would be giving out some statistics in terms of number of approvals we have given for residential or building application, along with commercial and industrial application. These are the approvals that we'll be talking about. And we will be giving you further breakdown in terms of development application we have received from Western, Central, and Northern Division. It's good to always see where the development is taking place. And particularly now with COVID-19, we would like to bring about this positivity, which actually exists. And today's data will reveal that we have our investors with us despite uncertainty linked with COVID-19. They're still putting the money on the table, and they do believe with their projects that it will happen, and they're willing to put that money into those projects. So these are all good news. And maybe next month I can share with you the building applications that we have received for residential houses. So it's not that people are just sitting tight and looking very worried as to COVID-19. There are individuals who are taking advantage of COVID-19, and they would like to get their homes renovated. There are some who would like to get off with the construction of their homes. And obviously the investors, they see it as an opportune time because the construction industry is facing some difficulty to get their project off the ground. So what I'll do today, I'll just share some of the statistics that I have. I'll start with the month of September 2020. This month has been a good month for town and country planning. We have approved 9 major development projects worth around $48 million. And the investors that sit around this table, their projects are included in these statistics. If we try and look at the month from January to September 2020, we have approved 24 major projects, and it's worth around $72 million. Obviously, this number is lower as compared to the same period in 2019. In 2019, we approved 23 major development projects, but these projects were worth around $1.4 billion. So we can see a slight decrease. But there's still investors who are willing to spend and get their projects off the ground. So I would like to thank the investors, our local investors, as well as the foreign investors who have shown interest in Fiji, and they believe in Fiji, and they have put their money on the table now. So thank you. And I would like to very briefly mention that the 9 projects that I mentioned earlier are related to, these are the proposed development that will take place. There is one commercial development along Princess Road, Tamavua, which is worth around $1 million. Then there's another cold storage and office space that is $13 million. And this project, the applicant is Ashabhai and Company Limited. The location is Nandi, but the investors will also speak, so you'll get more details. Then Interior Fiji Limited, it's a restaurant and warehouse which will be developed in Wainibuku, 9 miles. And there's an 11-story residential apartment for Gauri Street, and commercial plaza and supermarket in Enamanu Road, Nandi. And then we have another commercial and warehouse, Queens Road, Lenga Lenga in Nandi, and a private hospital, commercial and residential apartments by BSP Life Fiji Limited, and this will be in Wailoa Loa Road, Nandi, which is worth around $10 million.